Hi guys, and welcome to my fourth C programming tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you the C programming loops. There are three main loops: the for loop, while loop and do while loop. First I will go on with the for loop. I will teach you this loop with this example here. First, the structure of the for loop is for variable initialization, condition and incrementation. So I have this one ready here. I have declared and initialized the variable in the same statement here and gave it the value 0. Then we check if I is less than 10. If this is true, we go on and enter the for body. Everything between the square brackets is called the for body and will be executed only if the condition is true. So it is executed once. After that it goes here, the variable is incremented, so now it has the value 1. Then the condition is checked again. 1 is less than 10, so it is true, and the loop continues going into its body and executing this statement here. So what this loop will do is executes this statement here 10 times and print values from 0 to 9. Let's test it out, guys, and see if it would work correctly. So it works pretty good. As we expected, it prints this statement 10 times and prints number from 0 to 9. It doesn't print 10 because 10 isn't less than 10, so this condition here isn't met anymore and we go out of the for, so the for does finish and this statement here is printed. The program continues in a sequential manner. So now I will show you another thing. If we have just one statement here, we can delete the square brackets and it will do the same thing. You see? Only when we have more than one statement in the for loop, for example double statement like this, we need to put the square brackets to show the for body. Okay, guys? Now I will teach you the while loop. It is similar to the for loop. First I have declared and initialized a variable here. Then the condition is checked. If our variable is less than 10, all the statements in the while body contained between the square brackets are executed. Then, after printing the same line as in the for loop, I increment the variable here. Be careful, guys, it is very important to increment the variables always in the while body, because if you don't do so, this condition will be true always and the loop will be infinite. So I can show you. You see? It will never end if we don't increment our variables here. So let's fix it. I will try this program. This should print the same stuff as the previous program. As you can see, it works good. For experienced programmers, we can delete the incrementation from here and make the same function here. What this does is it increments the I operator variable, sorry guys, it increments the I variable, then it checks the condition. I have made a tutorial before about the difference of pre-incrementation and after incrementation, so about this and this. So this program should make the same stuff as the previous program. As you can see, it is the same, it works pretty good. Now the final loop is the do-while loop. This loop is different from the others because its body is executed at least once. The loop begins with the do keyword, then we open square brackets to write the body. If we have one statement, we can delete these brackets if we want. First, this is printed, then the variable is incremented by 1. The condition is checked at the end of the body, so this is the main difference of this loop that makes this special and execute the body at least once. If the condition is true, then the body is repeated. We have to increment our variable here in order to make this a finite loop, the same way we did in the while loop. So let's check this out. It works good and it prints the same stuff as the other programs that I showed you. I showed you the same programs with different loops in order to show you that you can convert from one loop to another in a very simple way. We can also do the incrementation here, and it will work, as you can see. So guys, this is all about the loops. Now I will teach you some important keywords that allow us to get more control of what the loop does and when the loop ends. These are the keywords break and continue. I will teach you these keywords in the for loop, but you can use them in any loop, in any of the 3 loops that I showed. Let's make some modifications to the code in order to show you the keywords. The break keyword just ends the for loop and it goes out of the body when it is met. So what this program will do is, when the I variable equals to 4, the loop will end. So it means that it will print from 0 to 3 4 times this statement here. Let's test it out. As you can see, it works good. From 0 to 3 4 times the statement is printed, then we go out of the loop and the program continues if we had more statements here. Now I will show you the continue keyword. What this keyword does is that it skips all the part below it and the loop goes to the incrementation phase, then the condition phase. If it is true, then it is entered in the body again. So this program now will print 0, 1, 2, 3, skip 4, then print 5 until 9. So let's test it out, guys. Nice. As you can see, it's worked as we expected. 0, 1, 2, 3. When we reach 4, our variable is equal to 4, we execute the keyword continue, which means that this statement here won't be executed this time. Then the condition is still true because the variable will be 5, condition will be true, and the statement will be executed more times until the statement condition is false, so up to 9, and then we go out of the loop here. So guys, this is everything about loops in C programming. Hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question, don't hesitate but leave comment or contact me. See you in my next tutorial and have a nice time.